The story of Takamura Robot in our H.I.R.O Robotics kit is a zero to hero story. This startup is built on no savings, a borrowed 3D printer, and a Raspberry Pi. I started Takamura Robot 2 months ago when I was designing a new easy-to-assemble robot in my room. I was trying to solve a problem that I had when I was learning robotics as a student. I was designing a kit that would teach people real technical skills. I got my start in robotics playing with LEGO Mindstorms kits in school, and they were absolutely fun. They taught me how to solve problems and work in teams, but they didn't teach me the hands-on electronics or real-world coding skills that I wanted. That's why I created H.I.R.O, to bridge that gap and teach students both the problem-solving skills and the engineering depth. Here's a look at the prototype. It runs on a Raspberry Pi Pico. You can program it to control motors, read sensors, and build custom behaviors. It's fully modular and designed for learning. Whether you're a student, educator, or maker, we built this kit to teach you the electronics and programming skills that you can actually use. A mechatronics masterclass in a box.